My name is Shabby. I am a licensed pharmacist in British Columbia, Canada. In this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to check whether a blood pressure monitor has been properly validated for accuracy. If you're looking to purchase a home BP monitor, it's important to make sure that the device you choose is giving you the most accurate reading. That's because only 15% of BP monitors that are available on the market, like Amazon or at your local pharmacy, have been validated by an independent organization. In order to do this, we will be using two independent online registries, Stride BP and Medival. Both are non-profit, independent organizations that are recognized internationally for following the latest scientific evidence. Step 1. You'll need to open up the two websites. Let's start with Medival. To use Medival, go to medival.ie and click on the Blood Pressure Monitors tab. From there, you can search for monitors by brand, model, or validation status. Medival also provides a detailed explanation of the validation process, so you can better understand what it means for a monitor to be validated. Step 2. Stride BP. To use Stride BP, go to stridebp.org and click on the BP Monitor tab. From there, you can search for monitors by brand and model. Because some monitors can be marketed using alternative model names in other countries, if you can't find the monitor on the listing, you may want to cross-check with a different listing. But for the most part, if you're looking on Amazon, you should be able to find the listing. If not, it's unlikely to have been validated for accuracy. Step 3. Check if the BP monitor that you're interested in has been validated. For the purpose of this video, I will go over a few of the monitors listed on Amazon's best sellers list. First, let's take a look at a well-known company called Omron, specifically Omron Silver, which is rated highly on Amazon with well over 20,000 reviews. When we get to the product page, you'll want to scroll down to product information and find the item model number. In this case, it will be BP5250. Next, we will head over to Medival to enter into their registry. Once entered, we should see an identical image of the BP monitor that you've seen on Amazon. Scroll down. If you look on the assessment section, we can see there appears to be no peer-reviewed clinical validation studies on this Omron Silver monitor. In the recommendation section, Medival does not recommend this device as it has not been validated. Next, we also want to see if Stride BP has any information on this monitor. In Stride BP, we want to enter the model name into the search bar. But in this case, no results were found. We tried different ways to enter the product information but still no results. We can assume that this product has not been validated. Let's look at another product. We will take a look at this Omron M2 monitor. Again, let's scroll down to the product information section and find the model number. In this case, it is model HEM7121E. Head over to Medival and type in the model number. This time, we have some positive news. If we head down to the assessment section, we can see that the technology used in this monitor has been compared to a clinically validated device, meaning this is not identical to the monitor used in the studies. However, it is a close second. Next, let's head over to Stride BP and enter the model number. Stride BP lists this monitor as a preferred device, which means it has at least one approved validation study published within the last 10 years and used a recent protocol. In terms of equivalency, Stride BP reports that although this model is not identical to the model in published literature, the M2 monitor only has minor model differences, such as increased memory capacity, Bluetooth capability, or additional functions which do not affect the accuracy. Next, let's look at the number 1 listed BP monitor on Amazon by A&D. Again, we need to find the model number, which is UA651CN. The CN will be important to enter as we will see later. Let's hop over to Medival. If we scroll down to assessment, Medival does not recommend this monitor as there appears to be no peer-reviewed clinical validation studies. This is the same result if we check in Stride BP as well. However, if you look up model number UA651, without the CN, and are able to find this product in your country, This is the top BP monitor on Medival in terms of accuracy validation. The UA651 has passed 2 clinical validation studies, and used recent protocol with certified adherence. Unfortunately in Canada, only the UA651CN is available and the technology used in this is not equivalent to the UA651. In summary, when looking to purchase a home blood pressure monitor for your arm, it's important to make sure that the device you choose has been properly validated for accuracy and reliability. 2 great resources for finding validated monitors are Stride BP and Medival. Hope this helps.